Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to rotate screen on this laptop. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then in Settings select the System option, scroll down and select Display. Maybe don't scroll down, it's at the top of the list. Then in display option select display orientation, expand this list, and here you'll be able to select any of the options that you like. And once you select the one of these options, you'll be able to keep changes or revert them. You'll have 15 seconds to keep the changes. If you don't keep them, they will automatically be reverted. And if you want to return screen back to its previous position, expand the list again and select the display orientation that you previously used. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.